Yo, what's up YouTube? Hi everyone, welcome to Dom's Media Zone. In today's video, I'm going to show you the difference between the GoPro Hero 8 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus video recording for indoors in a studio style setup such as this one, which mainly could be used for YouTube videos. If you're thinking of doing YouTube videos but are unsure which camera to use, should you use your cell phone or perhaps invest in a GoPro? Well, this video will show you the differences between the Note 10 Plus and the GoPro Hero 8. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, now before we begin, I'm going to point out that we are recording the sound in the Note 10 Plus. So the Note 10 Plus video will include the Note 10 Plus sound that's recorded. There's no external microphones used. I'm using the sound that comes with the Note 10 Plus, and for the GoPro Hero 8, I am also going to be using the external GoPro Hero 8 sound mod, which comes as a separate package from the GoPro Hero 8. So if you buy a bracket that contains the microphone, I'll put a picture up of it above here. If you buy the bracket with the microphone, this is the sound you're going to get with the GoPro Hero 8. So the sound will be coming from the devices themselves. Okay, on the Samsung Note 10 Plus, I am using the automatic standard video settings. So I'm not fiddling with any settings. I'm just going to put it on video mode and I'm going to record. The lighting that I'm going to use in both videos is exactly the same. So I'm in an indoors room and all my lights are turned off, but I am using like a main light on my face and a little GoPro filler light, which is like a tiny little light that is shining on this side. And I do have two RGB lights in the back to just give it these colors that you're seeing now. Okay, and without further ado, let's begin. So currently you've been watching me on the Samsung Note 10 Plus. So this is the phone camera and this is what you've been watching me record on, and it is set on the standard video mode, so I haven't fiddled with any settings. And this camera currently is on a little tripod and it is about, I'd say, just over a meter away from me. So it's like a hand length plus a little bit more. So it's just over a meter away from my face, and I've got some lights shining on me, which is the same lights that we're going to use for the GoPro Hero 8 test. This is the quality you can expect in an indoor style environment for a YouTube style video with the microphone on the Note 10 Plus. So the sound you're hearing is from the Note 10 Plus. So if you do not use an external microphone, this is how it will sound. And now let's go ahead and change over to the GoPro Hero 8 right now. And now you're watching me on the GoPro Hero 8, and the sound that you're hearing is coming from the GoPro Hero 8 Media mod. So it's not exactly the GoPro sound. On the original GoPro, it is a media mod that you purchase a little bracket and slide your GoPro into it. I will post a link down in the description to that. As I've said, the light is identical. I haven't touched the light. I've just switched the cameras around and I've tried to keep them more or less on the same height. And also, if I measure, it's about an arm length and a little bit. So maybe it's about a meter, just over a meter away. Maybe just a few centimeters closer than the Note 10 Plus was to me. So can you see a major difference? I know they will look completely different, but which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Is the Note 10 Plus better than the GoPro Hero 8 for indoor YouTube style videos? Let me know what you think, which one wins. From what I can see on this little screen, because my GoPro's got like a little screen where I can see what's recording, it looks alright. I think the Samsung Note 10 Plus will win, but I could be wrong. And so let me know your opinions, what you think. And the sound is from the GoPro Media mod. This is the sound that you're hearing. So is there a big difference in the sound? Which one was better? Do let me know. Okay, once again, let's switch over to the Note 10 Plus right now. Okay, and we're back again with the Samsung Note 10 Plus. So, can you see a difference between the GoPro Hero 8 and the Note 10 Plus, and which one is better? Please give me your opinions in the comments below. I'm only going to review this video after these tests are done. So once again, this is the Note 10 Plus Samsung phone, and this is the 512 gigabytes 5G model. I don't think there's a difference in the non-5G model's camera, but I could be wrong. But yeah, so this is the quality to expect, and this is the sound to expect from the Samsung Note 10 Plus in an indoor style setting. Is it echoey? Can you hear an echo or not? Does my voice sound clear? Camera is just over a meter away from me, and I've only got the main light and a little filler light shining on me and two RGB lights in the background. And this is the Note 10 Plus quality. Okay, so Once again, let's change over to the GoPro Hero 8 right now. Okay, and once again, we're back with the GoPro Hero 8. Now, the settings on the GoPro Hero 8 are linear, so I've used linear mode and we're recording in 24 frames per second. If you watch my previous video, it will give you all the settings that I've used for this test, which I think are the best settings to use for an indoor style GoPro video. So let me know how this looks compared to the Note 10 Plus. Is this better or is this worse, or could you get away with both? I know the GoPros are not designed for indoor really. They're more outdoors, action cameras in good lighting, good sunlight. They are action cams. They're not designed for this, but I think they can be used as a YouTube main camera as well. If you have nothing else, do use your GoPro. I'm sure the video will still come out good, and I'm sure the sound, you can hear me fine. So if you do have this as the only camera available, do consider using it. I'm sure it will work out just fine, as the content is more important than the quality. So yeah, this is how it looks. And for the last time, let us jump back to the Note 10 Plus right now. For the last time, we're back with the Note 10 Plus. So let me know if you've spotted a big difference. Which one do you prefer? Which one would you consider using if you were to make a YouTube style video and you had your phone or a GoPro? This is what you can expect. Now, I am aware that the GoPro is an action camera, mainly intended for outdoors use in good lighting. This might be a bit of an unfair test, but just out of curiosity, I thought we'll try and see what happens. All right, well, that's it. That's the end of the test, guys, and I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel, and I hope to catch you next time. Thank you for watching and take care and goodbye.